Classification of teaching aids presented by 134 AP Ruanti. What is meant by teaching aids? Teaching aids are the tools used by a teacher to help learners to improve reading and other skills, illustrate or reinforce a skill, fact or idea, and relieve anxiety, fear, boredom, since many teaching aids are like games. The importance of teaching aids. Novelty. Students love new things and innovation in the classroom. Teaching aids help to break the boring routines and add a healthy life to the classes. The effective use of teaching aids will help students to better retain what they have been taught. Teaching aids help to convey concepts in a better manner, and this way the learner would comprehend the lesson well. Better understanding. Teaching aids generally help to break down the monotony in the classroom and makes classes more happening and interesting. Better learning experiences. Teaching aids will provide examples and environment that teaching aids create. It is perfect for the conceptual thinking and helps students to expand their horizons. Let's talk about Pgde cone of experience. Pgde has classified arranged audio-visual experience in the form of pinnacle, which is called the cone of experience. The one of the experience is merely a visual aid in explaining the interrelationship of the various types of audio-visual materials as well as their individual positions in the learning process. There you can see the bottom direct and purposeful experience, contrived experience, dramatization, demonstration, field trip, exhibition, television, motion pictures, still pictures, visual symbols, and verbal symbols. The most effective experiences are placed at the bottom of the cone and those considered least effective are placed at the top of the arrangement are based on the increasing abstractness. Categories of teaching aids. Audio aids, visual aids, audio-visual aids. This is the classification of audio-visual aids. Projected aids, non-projected aids, and activity aids. A projected aid is one of the items to be observed or projected on a screen using electronic or mechanical device. Under that example, film and film projector. Films in the form of motion pictures. Films enrich learning by presenting a series of meaningful experiences involving motion. Slides and slide projector. The pictures or diagrams which are drawn in a suitable medium is called a slide. Slide projector is an instrument equipped with a powerful light source and a carrier for holding slide of suitable size. It is also possible to record the narration in a tape recorder that could be hooked up to the projector in such a way as to give the necessary commentary without the help of the teacher. Another example for projected aids, episcope and epidescope. Episcope is used for projection of opaque objects, pictures, photographs, drawings, or an opaque material within the size of platform of the episcope can be projected using episcope. Episcope used to enlarge book diagrams and illustrate complex pictures. OHP or overhead projector. The transparent visual is placed on a horizontal platform at the top of the light source. Next one, LCD projector is the most advanced and sophisticated projected aid. In the area of educational technology, we can replace all other projected and unprojected aid within a single LCD projector and computer system. Television. Very exciting and efficient means of mass communication. Educational television programs aims at education rather than entertainment. One teacher or specialist can render teaching sessions and pass information to millions of viewers all over the world. Let's move to non-projected aids. Under that, we can see graphic aids, display boards, three-dimensional aids, and audio aids. Graphic aids are visual aids such as graphs, diagrams, charts, etc. They can be conveying the messages by combining of writing and pictorial visuals that could be made meaningful by suitable captions. As you can see here, under graphic aids, we can use graphs, diagrams, posters, maps, cartoons, comics, flashcards, picture and photographs. Next one, the display boards. Display categorizing into three main types according to the function of they perform. One can be motivational display. Displaying that attracts the appeal of pupils and stimulates their curiosity is called motivational displays. Second one, development displays. Displays that ascertain information and ensure active involvement of pupil in the development of lesson is called development displays. Summary displays. Summary displays that are used for review and consolidation of a lesson are called summary display. These are the type of display boards that we are using as teaching aids. Blackboards, roll-up boards, hook and loop boards, funnel boards, magnetic boards, plasticgraph boards, bulletin boards and marker boards. Let's move to three-dimensional aids. First one, models. Models are concrete representations of objects. Size should be suitable. Two types of model, working model and static model. Some more examples are the three-dimensional aids. Objects, specimen, mockups, diorama, puppets. Audio aids. Radio, tape recorder, public address system. Radio is a powerful medium for mass communication. Tape recorder is used to record sound on magnetic tape which can be reproduced as many times as possible. Public address system is very effective when the teacher handling the large number of students at the same time. Activity aids. Examples: field trip, exhibition, demonstration, dramatization, museum, planetarium, aquarium, and terrarium. Let's conclude our presentation. What I hear, I forget. What I see, I remember. What I do, I understand. A research done by Coburn 1968 indicates that generally we remember 10% of what we read, 20% of what we hear, 30% of what we see, 50% what we hear and see, 70% what we say, 90% what we say and do. Therefore, activity aids will help students to understand and memorize the lessons more easily than the traditional teaching and learning methods. Thank you for watching.